Hi, I'm Andrew with My Fabric Addiction, and today we are going to be doing our newest quilt kit. It is a Lella boutique. It is Magic Dot Kaleidoscope. Our kits all come all pre-cut, ready to go for you. So you just open it up and you literally just start sewing. So we have here's our pieces that come out, and you would just, patterns very well marked, and we have it cut exactly like the pattern does. So you would just go through them and use whatever marking tool you want to use. We have our binding. Here's our next, this fabric is so beautiful. I love it, very springtime. We have our backgrounds. So easy. I used to not be able to get as many quilts done, but I literally sew a quilt a week right now. So it's all just cut for you. Super easy to lay out. Our next size. All of our backgrounds. Those are borders. Side. So when I take these, I start laying them out. I like to use little markers. There they go. So I would literally just take them, put my markers on them. Your pattern tells you exactly what to label, how to label them, and then I just get straight to sewing. Okay, so with this quilt, it is 2 blocks. There's an A block and a B block. So the B block is got a solid center, and the A block has a background center. So we have it cut exactly like she does on her sample on the front. So some of the colors have, okay, so like this one right here, it has a B block and an A block, but there are ones that only have B blocks. So I like to do my B blocks first, because that will make it to where I know which way I'm going to be doing my stitch and flips. If I were to just separate them and do half and half, it's not going to come out just like the pattern, so or how she has it on for her sample. So I would suggest we start with our B blocks first and do all of your B blocks for the whole quilt, and then you know what is left over for your A blocks. We will give you extras just in case you mess up, because I did. I messed mine up. So I had to get new ones. So if you do make the mistake and you've used all your pieces, don't worry, you can just let us know. We will send you the new pieces that you need so that you can get your quilt done and not be frustrated. Okay. So to start out, I just laid everything out. We have our B block right here and our A block over here. And this thing is really simple. We are going to do stitch and flips. That is practically all we're going to be doing with this thing. You just have to pay attention to which way your stitch and flips are going. So when I was putting this together, I just had to make sure that this side, you can kind of see it right here, you make sure that this color is going towards color. If it's not color, then it's been stitched the wrong direction. So like this, that wouldn't work out. We would want it to look like that, because these two are touching. So we just have to make sure that our stitch and flips are going the right direction. So we are going to take all of our squares, and we are going to draw on the back corner to corner on all of our squares. Our colored ones and our background ones. Just stick them back on, and I will double check before I sew anything, because it will change. And if you cut it, you can't use it on there. So, happened to me. I was not paying close enough attention. Just about got them all. And you will do this for the B block and the A block because they're the exact same, just the total opposite of each other. The pattern is very well written. So if you follow that, you should be golden. Okay, so we want to have, this one will go that direction. Let's make sure before I even see, that would have been wrong. These ones are good. Kind of should just line up. Let's see. So it's that way. All right. I think that is all of them. So we are just gonna take each over and we are gonna sew right on the line, and we are going to cut 1/4 inch of away and then press. I'm gonna pin mine on, sometimes when they're a little bit bigger, easy to slip. I'm just gonna flip it around and do the other side. Alright, and we will go and we will trim and iron. We are going to do that with all of our pieces, all of them. Okay, so we have them all sewn. Now I'm gonna make sure that things are going the right direction. So you can see that when I roll these back, that those two colors meet. So that's correct. And the same with that one, they meet. Those ones meet, those ones meet, and those ones meet. So that means everything is sewn correctly. Now I can trim them. It always scares me because I don't want to mess them up. So we're going to trim them away, 1/4 inch from the seam. While it's in my hand, I'm not double touching them. Ew. There we go. Look how pretty that is. My thing's not perfect, but that's okay. I'm okay with it. I am not a perfect sewer. When I get too hard on myself, it's not fun anymore. Right, so there we all go. So now we're just gonna kind of do what we would with a, just fold this, and we'll sew that one together, and then we'll open it up, and then that one will go, and we'll just keep going around. Kind of like log cabin a little bit. So I like to start on the corner that has the stitch and flip on it because it's gonna shift and that will just help hold that in place. You're more likely to have your points. It's just what I do. that is our block. We have our B block, and you do the exact same thing for the A block. You just have different centers, and then you put 4 of them together. 4 of them together, do your rows, and that is your quilt. So pretty. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks.